My name is Harish and I represent Scepter Software. Today we are going to talk about cloud data security and especially on the Salesforce domain. Primarily because a lot of businesses currently use Salesforce CRM and it's one of the popular cloud CRM available in today's world. For a change, I'm not going to talk about various threats that are poised, on having your data in the cloud, but I'm going to talk more on the solution. Everyone, if you say, is aware of the recent updates, like the NASA privacy issue, their intrusion, the U.S. Patriotic Act. You know, there are a lot of cloud privacy violations taking place. So the cloud has been talked now and with a lot of concerns. People are looking for securing the data. They know cloud is good, but they feel little restricted now to see after all these recent incidents how they are going to secure the data. And if you frankly speaking, they can do it and everybody knows it. The way they can secure data is if the data is there in the cloud, if you can just encrypt it. Business know about encryption, and they also know the complexity and the huge burden of implementation cost as well. They definitely know it's a tedious and complex process to implement this encryption and basically to secure data. Until now, we have come up with a unique product called Encryptik, specially for Salesforce, that provides encryption to your data, keeping it all simple. Yes, it's really simple. You're not going to believe it? Prove it. Let's have a demo. So, alright, so we're going to show a demo on how Encrypted is so easy to implement and easy to use. So here I'm here, I'm going to my installed application package. If you see, my application is there called Encryptik. Just need to come and configure. You have a configure option. Let's say I'm going to account. If you see, there is already 4 fields which is there to configure. Let's say I want to do the same thing. I just say let's go to account fax. I want to have a fax encryption, so let's say write encryption. I'm just doing it. So I'm saying SIC description. Let's say I just wanted to have a string encryption of this. That's it. You just are going to save it. Now let's go to the account here. So in the accounts, if you see, there's the encrypted data which is there, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's say we are going to come here and say I'm going to have John Phelps, and I'm saying my account number is that, and I'm given that for encryption as well. I say my phone number is also there for encryption, and I'm doing that as well. And I'm going to go and say google.com, let's say, and we have here, I said SIC description as well, but that's fine. So we have all this information here just now, and then we're just going to have to save it. So this data is being saved in the database in the encrypted format. See, whatever you're given the encryption, we say account name encryption, you have a phone number encryption, we are given an option wherein you can retain the first 3 letters of the phone number or the last 4 letters of the phone number, and see the account number, the website, trying to maintain the HTTP and www and the last.com. Similar, you have more schemes that is available, but so simple to set up. You just go and set it up and you're all done. Now it's all easy to say that, oh, I can see all this encrypted data, but I'm the right user. I need to see this data. I can restrict for other people, but for me, I need to see this data, which has been encrypted right now. So what I do, I go here. There's a homepage component. You go there and say, click on Encryptik, say next, and we just save it. I come back here and say, shoo, here it is. See, I can see all the done which is created right now. The John Phelps, see, I can see his account number, phone number, fax, because I set it up like that. So now the question is, oh, this is fine. You made it all available to certain everybody to see it, but I want to give it for specific profile or specific user to view it. In case of like we have a big huge team and who's doing supporting our system, but they don't want to see the data, they just support the system. So we just want to make them just encrypted, fully encrypted. So yes, we have one more custom options called app settings. Just go there. You can say that either organization wide, you say I just want to make sure everybody is seeing encrypted data because I don't want to see anybody. Or you come here and say, for this user, I don't want to see encrypted data. Let's say I'm just seeing like this and say just view encrypted data. You just save it and that's it. And you ensure that even if you're as an admin you see it, as a user he's only going to see the encrypted data. So I guess you understand, so easy to set up, so easy to use, and finally you're able to see all the encrypted data within Salesforce. And you're not having a gateway, you don't need a gateway, you don't need to spend a specific server where we are doing the encryption. Nothing has to be maintained, it's all unique within Salesforce. And we are following the all the encryption protocol like the AES 256 encryption on the encryption and the decryption of data. So thank you, and we are coming soon in the AppExchange. But if you're excited to see and explore the experience, uh, you can also have the beta version in your sandbox and try to test it. Do reach out to me and I'll have it available for you as well. Thanks again. Thank you.